Hi friends, this video shows how to connect old Chromecast with Google TV remote to Google TV streamer 4K device. Go to settings. From top right corner, select all settings, or you can directly go to this Bluetooth. So let me go to all settings, go down, go to remotes and accessories. Here under this OS remote section you can see Google TV remote. This is the original remote of Google TV streamer 4K. Here I am going to add Chromecast remote. So let me select this option, pair remote or accessory. Now it's searching for accessories. Take old Chromecast remote. Then we need to press and hold these two buttons together, back button and home button. Let me press and hold these two buttons together. Please wait. See. Now on top right corner you can see Chromecast remote. Select that. Now it's pairing. It says could not pair. Let me try again. Now it's showing pairing. Okay, paired. And here under this voice remote section you can see two remotes, Google TV remote and Chromecast remote. See. So this way we can pair or connect old Chromecast remote to Google TV streamer 4K device. Let me test. Let me try to test this old Chromecast remote. See, it's working with Google TV streamer 4K device. See. So this way we can connect. Later if you want to delete one remote, you can set that remote from the list, then set forget. Done. Okay, please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.